respected viewers of Maddani, Imam Azam Abu Hanifa radiyallahu ta'ala an's grandson, Ismail bin Hamad bin Abu Hanifa, he says that, by Allah, our family has never been in slavery, meaning we were not slaves. Now, he further says, my grandfather, meaning Imam Azam Abu Hanifa, he was born in 80 after Hijri. And the father of Imam Azam, meaning Thabit bin Sa'd, he met Hazrat Ali bin Abu Talib radiyallahu ta'ala an. And when he met fourth Caliph of Islam, Mawla Ali karramallahu ta'ala wajhahul kareem, he radiyallahu ta'ala an prayed for the father of Imam Azam and his children. The dua was for the salvation, khair and barakah. Allahu Akbar. And he says that I have got this strong hope from the court of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that the dua of Sayyiduna Mawla Ali karramallahu ta'ala wajhahul kareem was accepted in our favor. Subhanallah. Subhanallah. Respected viewers of Maddani channel, Sirajul A'imma, Imamul A'imma, Hazrat Sayyidina Imam Azam Abu Hanifa radiyallahu ta'ala an's full name is Abu Hanifa Nu'man bin Thabit. This is a great scholar of Islam, subhanallah, Imam Azam Abu Hanifa radiyallahu ta'ala an. And respected viewers, as we heard that he has got the blessing of the dua of Mawla Ali karramallahu ta'ala wajhahul kareem. So we come to know that when these people who hold status before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when they pray in the court of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when they raise their hands in the court of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, their du'as are accepted. And how beautifully we heard that a great scholar in the history of Islam is the result of the dua of Sayyiduna Mawla Ali karramallahu ta'ala wajhahul kareem, Allahu Akbar. And that dua of barakah, that dua which he made for the father of Imam Azam and the children, its result was such that this ummah got a great faqih in the shape of Imam Azam Abu Hanifa radiyallahu ta'ala. And we need to associate ourselves with pious individuals, with awliya Allah, with friends of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We never know if any dua they give us, and if that is accepted. Respected viewers of Maddani channel, our fortune can change